we divide 625 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down these 2 and it is 12. 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 2. So again we put down this 5 and it is 25. So 5 times 5 is 25. On subtracting we get 0. So 625 divided by 5 is 125. So this much for today and thanks for watching.